At Avery Weigh-Tronix, the core of our production facilities lie in our people and processes, which have been fine-tuned to perfection over the past 200 years. We take pride in ensuring the safety of our employees, the quality of our finished products, and have a goal of continued sustainability. Inline production methods enable us to consistently deliver the best quality products to you, our valued customers. At Avery Weigh-Tronix, safety is our #1 priority. Our facility has been designed to be a safe working environment for all employees. Our equipment is consistently updated, maintained, and calibrated, and our team members take part in regular safety meetings. Each workstation has been created with safety in mind, and this in turn enables our team members to enhance the safety culture at Avery Weigh-Tronix. As market leaders, we pride ourselves on the quality of our products. We work to meet the ISO 9001 standards, and every product is meticulously checked for build quality and robustness at the end of the manufacturing process. Avery Weigh-Tronix was founded on the weigh bar. When combined with our truck scales, it makes a highly robust product. The truck scale is our legacy, but our passion goes way beyond the truck scale to our instrumentation. Adding an Avery Weigh-Tronix indicator to your scale enables customization, efficiency, and uptime. With efficiency at the forefront of everything we do, it is critical we continue to invest in our people, equipment, and processes. From the manufacturing of truck scales to floor scales, to NSF-approved bench scales, high-precision counting scales, forklift scales, and weigh bars, we always use the highest quality material and have dedicated assembly lines that enable production efficiency and on-time delivery. Once our finished products arrive at customer sites, they are installed by our trained channel partners. If your business aligns with our core values of safety, quality, and sustainability, selecting us as your partner means more than investing in production excellence. It signifies a shared commitment to a safe and sustainable future.